Hello and welcome to all of you in Little Flower Children School Ghosi News Channel. I'm your host Salwa Khatun with my co-partner Anamta Imran, and welcome to our special segment where we recap all the exciting events and activities that took place in the month of December. Headline number 1: Visiting of Joint Secretary CBSE of 4th December at LFCS Ghosi. Honorable Joint Secretary CBSE, Mr. Vijay Shankar Sir came to LFCS Ghosi branch on 4th December. He gave his precious time for guiding and inspiring the board student of our school. All the students were so happy to listen him. His word of wisdom will surely leaves a last impact on a student's journey ahead. Our respected principal and honorable director Mr. Murlidhar Yadav expressed their heartfelt gratitude to him. Headline number 2: National Women's Pinchak Silat League. We are proud to announce that Priyanshi Yadav, class 11, has won the silver medal in the National Women's Pinchak Silat League under Khelo India in JK. She represented Lucknow. Her hard work, dedication, and exceptional performance have brought pride and prestige of our school. Our respected principal and respected manager, Mr. Lakhan Yadav, awarded her on 7th December. Headline number 3: Human Rights Day on 10th December. Human Rights Day was celebrated at LFCS Ghosi on 10th December. Human Rights Day is observed annually on December 10th to commemorate the adoption of Universal Declaration of Human Rights by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. It was served as a reminder of the fundamental right and freedom to which every person is entitled regardless of race, religion, gender, or background. Its aim to educate and inspire students about the principle of equality, dignity, and justice. A special morning assembly was conducted on that day. Many students spoke about the significance of Human Rights Day and shared the story of human rights activity like Nelson Mandela, Malala Yousafzai, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Our English teacher, Mr. Hira Sir, also delivered a speech about the main principle of human rights. These principles aim to create a world where every person can live with dignity, freedom, and equality. Governments and organizations are accountable for the upholding human rights. Every individual also has a responsibility to respect all rights of others. Headline number 4: Visiting of Mr. Anupam Raghuvanshi at LFCS Ghosi on 13th December. Mr. Anupam Raghuvanshi, a renowned mentor, career counselor, and motivational speaker from Varanasi, visited our LFCS Ghosi branch on 13th December. He conducted an enriching career counseling session for the board students, sharing valuable insight and guidance for their future endeavors. All the board students were very excited to listen to him. Our respected principal and manager Mr. Ram Lakhan Yadav sir and director Mr. Murlidhar Yadav sir expressed their heartfelt gratitude to him for inspiring and empowering the students.
Headline number 5: First World Meditation Day on 21st December. World Meditation Day was celebrated on December 21st. Yoga teacher Mr. Subin Dubey and yoga club students of our school had participated in the yoga performance in the observation of our respected principal Mr. Sanjay Rai sir. Yoga is dedicated to promoting mindfulness and meditation practices as tools for mental well-being and stress relief. People worldwide take time on this day to meditate, reflect, and focus on their mental and emotional health. Events, workshops, and group meditations are often organized to raise awareness about the benefits of meditation. Headline number 6: Merry Christmas Day on 25th December. Christmas Day was celebrated with joy and enthusiasm at LFCS Ghosi on 25th December. All classrooms, hallways, and school premises were decorated with Christmas trees, lights, wreaths, and ornaments. Some students dressed up as Santa, distributing gifts or candies to children. Our LFCS is encouraged to created Christmas-themed crafts like cards, stars, or paper wreaths as a part of art activities. Headline number 7: Terracotta Art Celebration on 27th December. Under the initiative of the Creative Club, Terracotta Art class were organized on 27th December at LFCS Ghosi in the observation of our respected principal Mr. Sanjay Rai sir. A potter named Shiv Shankar Prajapati had come and he taught the art of making all type of earthen pots to the students. enthusiastically explored the art of pottery making, molding, creativity with their hands, and learning the timeless craft of terracotta. Terracotta arts refers to the creation of sculptures, pottery, and the other decoration items used baked clay. The word terracotta means baked earth in Italian, and it has been used as a material of artistic and functional purpose since ancient time.
Headline number 8. PTM 4th and Science and Art exhibition on 31st December. PTM was conducted on 31st December at LFCS Ghosi. A parents-teacher meeting is a great opportunity for parents and teachers to discuss a student's academic process, strength, and area for improvement. It helps to build a strong connection between the school and home support the student growth. Science and Art exhibition was also conducted on 31st December. Class-wise students represent the theme of Science and Art exhibition as management or conservation, innovation technology showcasing robotic, AI or futuristic device, health and wellness, topic like nutrition, medical advancement or mental health. Space and astronomy, exploring planets, star or space exploration, energy and resources, efficient energy solution or resources management. Science for Society, how science can solve the real world problem like water scarcity or pollution, climate changes and global warming, project on reducing carbon footprints or adapting to climate changes. A science exhibition is a fantastic event where a student showcase innovation ideas. Experiments and projects relate to science and technology. It's great opportunity to learn, explore and demonstrate creativity. With this, we conclude the highlights for this month of December. Thank you for joining us today, and we will forward to bringing more updates next month. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and have a fantastic month away. Thank you and Happy New Year.